Search operations underway in Doda area of Udhampur. One CRPF Jawan has been martyred in an exchange of fire between joint parties of Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF Jawans and terrorists. Let's in fact listen into what a police officer has said.
ड्यूटी का एक पार्ट है और बेशक ये दुखद होता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम ये हमारा एक कर्तव्य है जिसको हम पूरा करते हैं। टेरेन को आप बखूबी अब जानते हैं, काफ़ी जंगल वाला एरिया, काफ़ी बिना रोड्स के, बिना नेटवर्क के एक पहाड़ी टाइप का एरिया है और यहाँ पे कई सारे चैलेंजेस हमें सामने आते हैं। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करते हुए ड्रोन्स का और बाकी जो इंटरवेंशंस हैं उनका इस्तेमाल करके इस थ्रेट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा न्यूट्रलाइज करें।
All right, so there you heard it, viewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Ajay. Ajay, if you could take our viewers to the details that are coming in from Udhampur, what exactly has happened?
Yes, the patrol party of CRPF and the Jammu Kashmir Police SOG wing, they basically were en route to ensure that the area has to be dominated properly. As we know that there are a number of input that number of terrorists are active in the Dudu, Basantgarh and the adjoining area. It was late afternoon when security forces troops, they were moving for the area domination, but unfortunately this incident has taken place that terrorists those hiding in the nearby area, they opened fire and targeted the CRPF inspector Kuldeep who was leading the group over there, and according to information terrorists might have used a weapon like sniper or some scope on the weapon, which basically helped them to shot him from a distance. Immediately when he was shot, security forces took their position and alert was sounded. But terrorists, those who were hiding in the forest area, they flee from that area. Massive searches and cordon operation going on. Jammu Kashmir Police, CRPF and the Indian Army, they are on the spot to ensure that all the terrorists, those who are hiding in that area, they have to neutralize as soon as possible. But since it was a night and time was not that adequate for the forces to go for a search in the deep inside the forest area. And early in the morning, once again, with the very first light, operation has started, and forces are trying to ensure that all the terrorists hiding in that area, they have to be neutralized. We know that in the recent past, this decision was taken by the government of India to deploy the troops on the upper reaches of forest area wherever there are possibility and information of the terrorists those who are present over there. But this incident once again have given another information or a clue to the forces that terrorists are having snipers with them, and they could also try to target the forces from the distance. And definitely it is going to be very challenging for the forces as Jammu and Kashmir has to go for the assembly polls in next few days.
Right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.